Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Perfectly Perfect with me, Pavitra. At the end of this video, you guys will understand what is undertone and how important role it plays in the makeup and in selecting the foundation. So, if you all find this video helpful, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you want to send a token of love and support, then all you have to do is do hit like, share, and subscribe, guys. So, let's get into the content now. Before speaking about undertone and how to identify under what undertone our skin falls in, let us speak about one important thing. How important is base, guys? Let it be in anything, studies wise or in constructing or building, a base and a foundation is very much important. When that is perfect, the rest it's very easy to build on. But when the base itself just goes wrong, whatever you build on, it's just gonna be waste, or it's just gonna not come in the way as we expect, right? So it applies in makeup as well. When we pick up a perfect foundation, not very too light or not very darker, but exact in our skin tone, 90% of the makeup job is done. The rest of the things, either let it be the eyeshadow or the lipstick or the eyebrow done, the rest all other things can be built on. But when foundation itself goes wrong, choosing a foundation itself goes wrong, whatever we try to build on, that is not gonna give the output that we are gonna expect, right? So in this video you will understand how to choose a right foundation. You may have come across this kind of a scenarios. Even it happened in my case as well. For example, a person who is very much similar to your skin tone, for example, if I am following my skin tone, my shade and MAC is NC44.5, and if one of my friend who is very much similar to my skin tone, I tell that my shade and MAC is NC44.5. Even why can't even you also can give a try. I hope this will exactly match your skin tone, but that may or may not match their skin tone, because undertone may vary. My undertone will be different from her undertone. I may fall under warm, or she may I may fall under warm or cool, and she might fall under olive, neutral, or warm, anything. So since by taking my suggestion, if she gets NC44.5, and when she applies it, and if it doesn't exactly matches her skin tone, she will get back to me and tell me like, why did you even suggest this to me? This is not looking good on my skin tone. The major thing here which has been avoided or ignored is the undertone, because even I didn't suggest her, telling that see, this is my undertone. Before selecting this foundation, first identify what undertone your skin tone is and choose a foundation according to that. So when undertone is known, everything will fall in place. Especially it will help a lot in choosing the right foundation. What is undertone, guys? Undertone is nothing but the natural skin which is just underneath the first layer of your skin. So why is undertone playing a major role is because when we just apply a foundation on the first layer of the skin, it just goes blends with the skin, that is with the second layer also. So when it doesn't complement with your second layer, so what it does is it will not look good on the first layer of the skin. So knowing undertone is very much important. It is and another important thing is, it's not undertone is necessarily need not be exactly your natural skin tone. It may or may not be lighter or darker to your skin tone. That is your natural skin. There is three undertones basically. One is warm undertone, one is cool undertone, and this neutral one. And there is another one also, but if I tell now, you guys might get confused. So the other one, that is the fourth one, I'll be telling it in the last. First, let us discuss the three basic undertones. Warm undertones ranges between peach to yellow to golden, and cool undertones range between pink and bluish, and neutral undertone is nothing but same as your first skin layer. The first layer of the skin and the undertone is very much similar. There are many ways in which you can identify your undertone, but in this video I'll be letting you guys know some three basic ways in which you can identify under what undertone your skin falls in. So the first one is by checking your vein. When you check out your vein on your hand, for some the veins may look in green in color, For some it may look in blue or purple in color, and for some it might it'll be very much matching with the skin tone itself. For example, for me it is somewhat in green in color. Now we know what is undertone and what is our undertone. So now the next step is how to apply this one in selecting the right foundation. For example, I fall under warm undertone, so I will be choosing a foundation which has got a warm undertone in it. While selecting the foundation itself, let it be on the online or in the store, you have to ask. If it's in the store, you can ask the person, I fall under this undertone, so you can show me some shades which is having warmer or cooler undertone. If you are choosing a foundation on the online site, in the description itself it will be clearly mentioned whether that particular shade falls under warm or cool or neutral. So based on this you can choose the foundation. So if you are a cool undertone person, you will be asking for a foundation which has got cool undertone in it, and it will be having slightly a pink shade in the foundation. And if you are a warm undertone person, you will be going for a warm undertone based foundation, and it will be having kind of a yellowish shade in the foundation. And in case of neutral, it's neither very pink, it's neither very yellow, it will be somewhere in between, so it will fall under peach. So this is how undertone plays a very important role when it comes in selecting right foundation. I hope this will be helpful for you people in choosing the right foundation next time, and this will help you not invest on something which is incorrect for your skin, incorrect for your undertone as well. Yeah, so I'll see you all guys in my next video. Until then, bye, see ya, love you all.